just blame it on this cunt.
This is on video.
Yeah, it's on video. What's here?
This won't be on the DVD.
Yeah.
This will be like
This will be on the edited version.
Yeah, good. Editor's cut. Director's cut. Director's cut. There we go.
No justice, no peace.
No justice. No peace.
Fuck the police. No justice, no peace, to fuck the police.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, he's never went more of a junkie in his life. Oh god.
Where'd he go? Oh my god.
Behind you.
What's wrong with it?
What's the story, lads? No Christian it.
Here, we're gonna get Christian to open this without him even realising there's a lot of ice with 5. Hey Christian! Here man, open that fridge man, get me a pizza. Man, there's so much ice everywhere!
Oh god.
Man, we don't even need a swimming pool tomorrow morning.
Why does Christian insist on headbutting all the ice? Don't Christian it.
Oh my god. Oh, Jerry, you're such a Christian. I mean, you're Christian.
I'm gonna go skate right now. Take it.
See, being outside made your feet too cold. Now you're going to walk around on ice.
Oh. Oh.
I'm so hungry. But I don't know what to eat.
There's so many fucking pieces in there. Look how many pieces are in there.
Let's get closer.
Holy fuck shit.
You should have seen for it there today.
And those things.
Yeah, watch it. This is awesome.
It better be awesome.
Excuse me. Did you ever see a bear fest?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's a bear fest. It's so good. I want to freeze it in winter time and skate on it. And in springtime when it melts, I'll drink it.